Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Gray and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely beautiful Mercedes-Benz E300 convertible. Now this is the AMG line and is finished in the Obsidian black metallic paintwork and sitting on the double spoke freshly powder coated alloy wheels. Stunning car, these convertibles, arguably I would say the best convertible on the market today. Luxury, prestige, quality, looks, nothing can compare to them, and the fuel efficiency and the way they drive is second to none. So let's have a look around it. So we've got the 18-inch wheels. Now we have just freshly powder coated these, so we send them away, we have them shot blasted and then they get powder coated. Calipers are done black as well, so this has really got that dynamic external black package look. So going around the car, the Obsidian black metallic is a metallic paint finish which just gleams. Couple of minor little stone chips on the front that we'll have touched in with the pencil, but nothing that's detrimental to the vehicle whatsoever. Now this particular E-Class has the modern diamond shaped grille. We've got the LED high performance headlamps with signature lighting, and then the F1 style front bumper with the chrome detail. Looking around the car, you can tell that the last keeper was, as most people are who have these particular types of vehicles, these are in excess of £40,000 new, but down the sides are in beautiful order. Everything about it, the satin silver detail, I like that. I like the fact that it's not shiny, it's just appropriate to the age and to the vehicle in itself. And then you get the open top, reminiscent of, say, a speedboat there. Just look at that, absolutely gorgeous. On a day like today, it's just a pleasure to drive. Coming round to the rear of the vehicle, we get the twin tailpipes and the chrome detailing at the bottom of the bumper. Fully loaded these, so we get parking sensors front and rear and a reversing camera. LED headlamps, LED rear lamps, acres of space in the boot. Just look at that. Now we've got the cargo net there, the seats drop down as well. Underneath there we get the tyre inflation device. We can drop that as well for your luggage. But what an awesome car. These are a canvas hood, thermally and acoustically sound deadened, so it's nice. It's as good as driving a hard top vehicle. I have a number of friends who do have these from ourselves, and they are getting in excess of 50 miles to the gallon all the time. Again, when looking down the driver's side, it's in absolutely fantastic order. We've got two keys. As I open up the car, we're greeted by this part leather interior. Mercedes really do know how to do interiors. We get the diamond stitching and the light grey and then the black ash. Heated seats. One particular thing that I love on these is the air scarf. So you get warm air blowing up through the headrest and onto your neck. You can see the fans at the back there. Lovely, lovely piece of kit. Winter time, if it gets a bit cool, you can still have the roof down. So as we get into the vehicle, the black ash wood follows through down the centre console still as well. I'll just fire up and then you get the clocks all light up and the stereo system. He says turn that down, somebody's had that on loud. So yeah, really good stereo system as well. The vehicle will be serviced before it leaves us at Alpha Motors. And then you've got these wheels here now which are touchscreen and just slide. It's done 37,879. Tyres just want tyre pressures want registering. Coming down to the centre console, we've got the wind deflector, which is all in here. We've then got all the roof controls, dynamic drive, so we can change the way the car feels, whether it be efficiency, whether it be sport. We've got the satellite navigation, we've got the Bluetooth telephone. You scroll the wheel and you can view as much as you want. Radios DAB, we've got the media player, so it will Bluetooth stream from phones, auxiliary devices. We can do everything. Very, very nice. This is where you can select all of your systems, your lights, you name it, you can sort it. Whether you want ambient lighting, so that's your mood lighting, ambient brightness in the car, You can have the colours changing in the car. It's just fantastic. I love these cars. Ambient lighting, colour, so there's your spectrum, whether you want it red, blue, and that, then the lights that appear all around that vehicle there then at night. Wonderful, wonderful. But yeah, what a stunning car. I don't smoke, and can tell the last person didn't smoke either. The passenger seats in outstanding order. We've got the AMG mat set, reversing camera. All the service history is detailed on our website as well. Loads of space for 4 adults. That's the wind deflector that pops up as you adjust it. Electric power hood as well. But stunning, stunning order throughout. A real class car. Real class car. So, what more can we say? We've got 2 keys, we've got the full AMG mat set, we've got 4 brand new powder coated alloys that look stunning. Obsidian black metallic paintwork, arguably one of the best colours to buy an E-Class Mercedes in. Excess of 50 miles to the gallon, 9-speed automatic transmission. Yeah, gorgeous, isn't it? So if you'd like to reserve this car at Alpha Motors, give us a call. I'll take a £250 deposit. That's £250 deposit. That is a fully refundable deposit if, when you get to our showroom, this vehicle is not to your standard. So yeah, but I can guarantee nobody's ever done that yet. Now, if you've got a part exchange, give us a call. There's Dom, there's Lee, and there's me, Graham. We'll be happy to give you a price over the phone when you arrive at Wigan in our showroom. If the car's as described, that's what you pay, and the cost of change is one car minus the other car. If you want finance, have a look on the calculator underneath the advert on our website at alphamotors.co.uk. You can adjust that. You can have a PCP, you can have HP. Have a look on our website, on our Facebook pages, social media pages. Customers all over the country picking cars up just like you. Have a look at our reviews. Again, they're verified customers who've bought cars off us in the last week, month. They'll tell you their experience of Alpha Motors. So, as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.